I'm not that long. I only have starters in most of these. But yeah, I bought some of these yesterday. I had to rebuy ZK though. But yeah, China, it's time, I think. I don't want US stocks right now. Do you guys not know that there's also interest rate decision? I covered semis though. Probably too soon, but whatever. I mean, you know, I was gonna be caught in this. It doesn't matter. I'm just trying to get long. I'm buying. I don't know if you guys saw. You had to buy this on. You have to like. I'm just trying to find a way in this, but like, do you guys not see this shit? Uh, there's a clear breakout, bro. I mean, it might not go right away, but this is like, I gotta be long now, basically. Yeah, yeah, I know. But technically, this is really good. Look at this shit, dude. Perfect. How long have been going sideways? Like one week pullback, 3 weeks sideways. The only thing I don't like is food. I mean, this is fine. It's just the way it's acting is kind of annoying. But look at these names. Like these are acting better. October 23rd. I don't think I need to. I think I can delete this one. I'm gonna start marking up HSI honestly. No, it's too annoying. October 18th. Did that do anything? October 14th. I'll just have it on expat for now. Yeah, they're just oh, I was in this too. I was in what is it? K Holdings, but this has earnings today. I didn't realize. I love this chart. It's not the best trender though. Also, this one has I don't know, real estate is not the best sector in China. Has some serious fundamental issues, right? Volunteer? What the fuck are you talking about? Dude, I dropped off my ballot yesterday. These motherfuckers, do you want a sticker? I'm like, no, I don't want a fucking sticker. Are you sure? Yeah, I don't want a fucking cringe ass sticker, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. Yes, there is stimmy. Okay, the stimmy is supposed to help, but the problem is that the party has been very clear in China, right, about how housing is not going to be speculative, right? So, oh, IRA soldiers. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, I'm definitely pro IRA, dude. I mean, dude, like obviously it wasn't a total victory, but Bobby Sands, right? Like, or wait, what's the name of the guy who was not Bobby Sands? Who's the guy who became an actual MP? Jerry Adams? Jerry Adams, yeah, I think so. But I'm just saying, if you're gonna like fucking actual militant resistance always works. McGinnis, yes, McGinnis. Yo, I was reading this book a while ago. I never finished it, but it's called Fry the Brain: The Art of Urban Sniping. You can find a PDF of this. I don't think it's worth buying, but there's like a couple chapters. They go to like some of the shit that the IRA did, like the tactics and stuff. It's pretty interesting. I can find it. Yeah, you can find a PDF pretty easily, I think, on this. By John West, Fry the Brain. Fucking fascinating shit. Yeah, I bought a lot of China. I thought about buying Palantir and A-Lab, of course, but the problem with this is that you know, uh, I don't think election results matter as much for most industries, except for like, so election results matter for I think for crypto, solar, clean energy, right, and maybe weed, but I don't know. It's not a big deal. Like, what the fuck did that BlackRock guy say? Election doesn't matter for markets, right? Yeah, the BlackRock CEO. Like elections don't matter. Larry Fink. Yeah, Larry Fink, that motherfucker. And for the most part, he's right. Just not for certain. I think crypto is the biggest one, right? Yeah, Rocket Lab, I thought about rebuying, but I'm just gonna hold off. Well, it's a leader, but it's got earnings. If anything, I'm gonna rebuy it after earnings next week. I have a feeling the upside is going to be limited until then, and I got a good trade out of this, right? I think my it was like 71%. But yeah, no, I might buy more China. I don't know. Maybe not yet. I'm trying to buy this well, let's see, Queb. Yeah, I'll wait for more confirmation to get longer. I'm not that long, guys. These are like 5 to 10% positions in each of these. My largest position is EH actually. It's like 8% of my account. No, dude, I'm not trying to buy this shit below. I'm gonna wait for the interest rate decision for this. The rate, what the fuck is the consensus is what, 25 basis points, right? Election and Fed meeting this week, which, what is it? Oh, a 33% chance of 50 basis point and a 55% chance of 25 basis point. Yeah, about 50%. Anyway, some of these names still it's just these China names don't act so well sometimes, but it's fine. This is not that much. You always give back some, but you don't give back that much. I went cash because of this. And now we're coming back up on this level, right? So I'm pretty low volume compared to here so far. But yeah, there's some good signs in the US markets, right? Like leaders are bouncing where they should. Reddit got bids, obviously. Just a lot of things need more time. Oh, people gambling on this on election day? Crazy. Yeah, I covered my short. I mean, it got bids today, dude. So I was like, uh, it just went to my average, and I was like, fuck it, I don't want it anymore. So I'm willing to reshort this at some point. But I feel like we might just go sideways until Thursday or Friday. I'm trying not to get too invested or like too committed one way or the other right now. Dude, I hate it's just so annoying. But yeah, this is looking the best. I think I'm gonna buy some more yen. Yeah, I'll buy some more. These are like what are the China big caps are going good. Not that one. Hmm. Yeah, China names look good, man. Look at the bids. I think it's been long enough too. It's just like you gotta expect how they're gonna trade in the US session sometimes and just, deal with it. Which is why I'm kind of content to hold some things into the red a little bit. But, relearning how to trade China names again and again, right? It's kind of interesting. Some of these names have longer histories on US markets than on the Hong Kong exchange. Look at this. Look at this shit, dude. It's just like there's absolutely clear breakouts in some of these indices, right? The CSI 300. You guys not like look at this. All the composite indices on all major exchanges have broken out during last night's session. What's not to like? Not oil, but that's fine. These two though. Look at this. This is beautiful, man. This is the largest battery maker in the world. Where's the level here? Where we draw it? Is that really a level? Yeah, sure. Which one? 3900. The component index? What's the difference between this and the regular Shenzhen index? What's the difference? Component versus composite? I don't know. I feel like I can just look at one or the other. Anyway, I don't have all the names on here, obviously. Just a couple like big ones. Mostly, oh, Foxconn. Okay, mostly these indices are important though. Man, so okay, yeah. Is Queb getting some bids? Gotcha, gotcha. Tau trades on the New York Stock Exchange as an ADR. What are you talking about? This is literally trades on. This doesn't trade on any Chinese exchange. It only trades on the New York Stock Exchange, I believe. Oh, okay. Those are different exchanges, dude. There are three stock exchanges in China: Hong Kong, Shenzhen, and Shanghai. There's three of them. Most of the ADRs will be on the Hong Kong exchange. Yeah, I watch different markets, dude. I mean, like you can't like look at this shit, dude. This is just like it's so perfect. Is there an HSI with fucking volume or no? Wait, why do I have are these like TVCs? It's literally the same thing, right? Let me just move this one up though. What's the one I have here? This is the official HSI one. Yeah. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Thank you for this. Is there? Which one should I use? Pepperstone? What the fuck is Pepperstone? It's not. Yeah, I don't know about if this is actually useful. Then it's not. Yeah, it's a CFD. I gotcha, gotcha. So it's basically just like futures, which isn't that useful. Like I want something like S&P 500. I'm not that heavy. I'm like 50% invested. 56% to be exact. CSOP. This is an ETF though, man. This doesn't help. No, no, it's fine. I guess I don't need the volume. It's fine. I guess you don't have this. This is like almost confirmation. I would like a close above this. No, it doesn't. It's fine if it doesn't exist. I think a close, follow through day, maybe a sideways day, and then follow through. Then we have confirmation. What the fuck? What is this again? Is this a India company? 44% on this Palantir ETF. That's crazy. Really, this is going? What's the news that's driving this? This is the news? Probably. It's still pretty illiquid. I think I'm gonna avoid it. Wait, what does this do again? It's per. Okay, yeah, there we go. Wait, what was the other news? Yeah, it's earnings, but do you know what this company does? This company just holds Bitcoin. So it's like MicroStrategy. Maybe I should have bought this, but it's okay. I'll wait. I'll wait till I'll wait till the interest rate decision is digested. Week-long session to deliberate what is expected to be the country's most extensive fiscal stimulus. Okay, so let's fine. Let's paste it in here. Whatever. Should I put? Oh, I have too much shit here. It's annoying. It was October 18th. It's that day. I can move this over, right? Start using pin. You hover over it and the note appears. Oh, interesting. Where is this? Like this? Oh, okay. Hmm. Maybe. I can still move it around. That's good. 'Cause I don't want it to obfuscate the chart, basically, but it does, yeah. Yeah, it does keep it tidier. Ugh, am I gonna have to But like, but like, if I put it here, it's still kind of like in the way, The signpost. What is that? Oh, this one. Oh, I see. Oh, that's not bad. This is also not bad. Um, I don't know if I'm gonna change just yet. Maybe I should I'm resistant to change though, but yeah, it's not a bad idea. No? Oh, this one? I can't see that line. Can I change the line color? Okay, there you go. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. Got some different options, I guess. I'm just used to the text though. Oh yeah, someone asked me about entries. I'm not gonna go over all my entries, but I started buying some of these yesterday, like Futu Tal, but I got stopped out of like Zker. Uh, I just been buying like here. I'm not in the profit on this anymore. I have 42.02, so I have like that's my average on this. But it's fine. I'm just like I don't know if I'm gonna try to average down. I might just wait for more strength and then buy it again. Or like buy end of day maybe. I don't know. I don't know yet. But like you just kind of like these just act so shitty intraday. You almost have to like buy them off of these 30 and 1 hour EMAs. Like look, it's finding support now a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna buy more. No, I'm not gonna buy. I only added to yen. I think so. This is the strongest, right? It's the big caps. Maybe I should just lean into this one. It should like reflect the indices we were looking at earlier the most. Am I concerned about tariffs if Trump wins? Yeah, sure. You're right. But like I said, I feel like this HSI breakout is just too good. This is why, guys. This is really why. And I'm not. Did this break highs again? What the fuck? Oh, that's so annoying. No, I should have bought this. Whatever. This is like it closed like this. It's really good confirmation. Or not, it's like almost confirmation. Why buy C-Web? I buy both. Why not buy both? I don't know. Is it slower now? I guess it is, but it's 'cause like sometimes the internet stuff outperforms, right? It didn't see how it didn't really make that low, whereas FXI did. It doesn't really matter. I'm not trying to overthink it. What the fuck is going on with my monitors? What the fuck is going on? Oh, great. My Windows Explorer just restarted for whatever reason. Queb, really, dude? It's gonna be. Okay. What's happening to my P&L? Really, no. Okay, dude. Private prison operators. I feel like they win regardless of who wins, right? I guess the Republicans are probably worse on slavery than. I don't know, but like Kamala Harris, what did she do again? She that's right. They were gonna release a bunch of non-violent offenders, but her office, when she was DA in California, pushed back against that, saying that they needed the slave labor to fight wildfires. Do I know? No, I do not, dude. What the fuck? It might not be for a few days. I am not. I'm not some. That was like predicting the future. I don't know this shit. I wouldn't worry too much about. Just they'll be out when they're out. There's gonna be fucking recount shit. I don't know. Probably some election day violence too. I don't have a lot of confidence in this country's electoral process. This is like one of the shittiest in the world. Well, voting has been going on for a while. So like it's just like there's gonna be some like contention stuff. Like last election, we didn't know the results until like a few days later. And yeah, I voted. But voting is such like a small part of your political power. It doesn't really fucking matter. Like I'm telling you, voting does not change shit in this country. Please, like, learn some history, right? Like, it doesn't matter if there's like a right-leaning Supreme Court, a right-leaning Congress, a right-leaning or left-leaning, well, not left, but like liberal-leaning executive. Like fucking 1954, Brown v. Board, that decision was passed with like a very right-wing, very reactionary Supreme Court. It doesn't fucking matter. What matters is that there's like organized resistance in the country. It's super cringe that people like think voting is such. I just fucking it annoys the shit out of me when people are like, oh, I voted. Please do your civic duty and vote. Yeah, later, man. I also hate that it gets dark so early now. Of course. I passed on U.S. stocks in general because I'm just a little sus of the election and the whatchamacallit, the Fed rate decision later this week. You could probably ignore it and just trade. in which case I would have bought A-Lab and Palantir, but I don't think it's a big deal. I think it's if it's the beginning of a new trend, there should be another opportunity to buy it. Like I would have missed because I wouldn't have bought this until maybe like I would not have bought it because okay, so best case scenario I buy it on crossing 87-ish, right? It doesn't make 8%, but I really probably wouldn't have bought it then. I probably would have bought it like here or something, right? Like around this price. So like 3%, I don't know, it's not a big deal for me. Palantir, like best case scenario I buy it 49s, 4%. Yeah, I'm okay. People flying in from Europe to vote in the I mean, I have no idea, dude. You just gotta ask someone else. I'm just saying I don't really care about that kind of shit. There's like certain things that will matter, like certain direct ballot uh, stuff, like propositions in California, for example. But for the most part, like it just doesn't matter. People obsess over elections. All right, I'm gonna go. I'll make some breakfast, guys. Good luck.